everyone. I hope you all can hear me. Great, thanks for confirmation, guys. I hope you can hear me. Good afternoon. Just give me a second. I can see काफी सारे questions already आ रहे हैं. We will start the session in next 1 minute. But before that, I have a small poll जो मैंने run किया है. Please, vote on that. Please let me know if you are a customer of Motilal Oswal or not, because there is something which I would like to mention after that. I can see most of them are a part of Motilal Oswal. Guys, it's a request ki please vote on the poll. I can see Arpit sir also has joined us. We had a good profitable session. हमने 4 trades initiate किए, 2 में तो हमने session में ही profit book कर लिया था. We had one BankNifty trade and one intraday जिसमें हमने already profit book कर लिया था. Let's see how this session will go for us. I can see, guys, there are hundreds of people who have joined in. कुछ ही लोगों ने vote किया है. So please vote on the poll. Good afternoon, Arpit sir. It seems you have changed the location.
Yes, very good afternoon, Anuj, and to all the viewers. We're just setting up the frame. We'll just take a minute and we'll get back to you guys.
Recently, Research 360, started their subscription, and people were saying कि sir हम तो Stockholm पर हैं, हमें subscription क्यों है? For clients, I guess everything is available in our super app, MO Rise, but for our non-clients, there were some issues. So, I had a word with the Research 360 team, and they were happy to, share a discount code for Stockholm members, जो कि non-clients हैं. So, how many of you would like to get the code for 10% off for Stockholm members? Please note this is for non-clients only, because clients के लिए everything is available in MO Rise application. A lot of change in MO Rise. Yes, I can see कि कुछ लोग हैं जिनको चाहिए. Guys, please let me know if you are not a MO client, but you need the code for 10% off for Research 360. This code will be valid only for 24 hours and specifically for the members who are a part of MOFSL, Stockholm community.
Yeah, Anuj, I think we can start.
Sure, sir. I will just take a moment here and share the code in chat.
Yeah, no worries.
And then
I'll share the screen.
Sure. I have dropped the 10% off code STOC10. You can use this for 10% off in Research 360 subscription plan, and this is valid only for 24 hours, guys. So don't wait, and after the session, go and get your subscription. I think this is the best I can do for you all after our discussion with the Research 360 team. And I guess we are all set. Welcome to the BankNifty Expiry. We have our expert Arpit Periwal sir with us. Sir, over to you. You can, I guess I would not take much time here. You can directly start the session.
Yeah. Very good afternoon, guys. Welcome to BankNifty Expiry Play. So before starting with the session, today in the morning, we had our expert Madhur, and he mentioned about the BankNifty call 52,500. That was quoting around 80-85 odd levels. And since then, we have seen a very sharp rally. So I think definitely some move was seen during the session also. And post that also, we have seen a very fantastic rally in BankNifty almost after ages. So we were waiting for this day for BankNifty expiry where we see a trending move. And after a lot of expiries, we have seen one-off event. And today, the irony is BankNifty is up and the broader market and Nifty is slightly muted and quite volatile in fact. So starting with BankNifty first, BankNifty की expiry है, तो हम पहले levels के बारे में बात करेंगे. Then we'll move on to Nifty, then we'll move on to stocks and BankNifty को कैसे expiry के लिए आज play करना है, हम उसके बारे में भी update करेंगे. So starting with Bank Nifty. So since morning tick, after a slight dip, we have seen a very sharp rally in Bank Nifty. As we say that the major heavyweights, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, they were the outperformers, and still they are holding their gains, because of which Bank Nifty is up by almost 500, 600 points. So if we see I'll just first go on to the hourly chart, because since morning we have get quite a couple of swings. Yesterday was totally a dull market for Nifty expiry, but today we have seen relatively quite a huge momentum swing. So Bank Nifty के hourly chart हम पहले देखिए. So एक range breakout देखा था 50 to 400 के ऊपर, and वहां से हमने 500-600 points की rally देखी है. Post lunch, if you go into the smaller time frame chart on 30 minutes, एक range में है. ऊपर से हमने थोड़ी profit booking देखी 50 to 950 के लेवल से, नीचे 50 to 650, 700, and now from past half an hour it is consolidating. नीचे 50 to 700 support है, ऊपर में 50 to 900 resistance zone है. So that is the shape up as of now for the Bank Nifty setup. So levels के बारे में हम बात करें, so 50 to 700 spot levels very important support for Bank Nifty. जब तक इसके ऊपर है हमारा bias positive रहेगा. आयरनी एट द सेम टाइम अपसाइड कैप भी है, बिकॉज जो आफ्टरनून में एक टिक मारा था 50 to 950 के अराउंड, सो वहां पे एक हर्डल जोन रहेगा. ओवाई डेटा भी अगर देखें तो कॉल राइटिंग मैक्सिमम 53,000 पे है, एंड नीचे में 50 to 650, 50 to 700 इज द सपोर्ट जोन. तो ये हुई जोन के बारे में बैंक निफ्टी की. 50 to 700 से लेके 50 to 900, 950 एक जोन है बैंक निफ्टी की. Now let's go on to a more small time frame chart, and if we see on the 15 minutes, it took support near its breakout zone 50 to 650, 50 to 700 levels, and उसके बाद consolidate कर रहा है. So ये move को play करने के लिए हम अभी दो calls हमने लगा के रखे हैं as of now. एक रहेगा in the money 50 to 700 का call. So I have also put it on the terminal also. Right now it's quoting around 95 levels. So as of now हम 50 to 700 का call ही track कर रहे हैं बैंक निफ्टी में, with the view that 50 to 700 एक support zone है, upper band में 50 to 900, 950 resistance zone है. So as of now, the call that we are tracking for Bank Nifty is 50 to 700. Right now it's quoting between 9500 levels. जैसे भी कोई सेटअप बनता है हम इसी को ट्राई करेंगे प्ले आउट करने के लिए. इसी के साथ हम 50 to 800 का भी देख रहे हैं, बट वो एक एट द मनी है जिसका प्रीमियम काफी लो है. सो एज ऑफ नाउ दो स्ट्राइक्स आप लगा के रखिए, 50 to 700 and 50 to 800 for Bank Nifty for our today expiry play, with the view that बैंक निफ्टी जब तक 50 to 700 के ऊपर रहता है हमारा बायस पॉजिटिव रहेगा. सेम टाइम 50 to 900 द रेजिस्टेंस जोन्स. अब आते हैं हम मेन इंस्ट्रूमेंट के बारे में, निफ्टी. सो आज देखें तो निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी का डायरेक्शन एक नॉर्थ चल रहा है, एक साउथ चल रहा है. एंड सिंस मॉर्निंग निफ्टी वाज लैकलस्टर, बट पोस्ट लंच हमने काफी एक अच्छा खासी प्रॉफिट बुकिंग देखी ऊपर के लेवल से. ऑलमोस्ट 150 पॉइंट्स की प्रॉफिट बुकिंग देखी है फ्रॉम हिटिंग इट्स न्यू लाइफ हाइज. सो इंट्राडे चार्ट देखें तो निफ्टी का स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा सा पॉज है, हालांकि नीचे मल्टीपल सपोर्ट है 25,280, 25,250 फॉर इंट्राडे, अपसाइड में 25,400 लेवल. सो निफ्टी में 25,250 एक सपोर्ट जोन है, ऊपर में 25,400 एक हर्डल जोन है. बैंक निफ्टी में हमने ऑलरेडी शेयर किया है. निफ्टी का स्ट्रक्चर अभी थोड़ा सा मिक्स है बिकॉज वोलेटिलिटी काफी है और आईटी हैवीवेट्स थोड़े पेन में है जिसके वजह से थोड़ा सरेंडर हुआ है. बट जैसे हमारा पूरा फोकस मेजर बैंक निफ्टी पे ही रहेगा, सो हमने बैंक निफ्टी के लेवल्स के बारे में बात की है. उसके साथ हमने स्ट्राइक्स के बारे में बात की कि विच आर द स्ट्राइक्स ऑन रडार, सो दैट वी आर क्लोजली ट्रैकिंग एंड विल अपडेट कि कौन से लेवल पे एंटर कर सकते हैं. हमारा बायस पॉजिटिव है बैंक निफ्टी में. 50 to 700 and 50 to 800 कॉल वी आर ट्रैकिंग एंड डेफिनेटली विल अपडेट कि सेटअप जैसे रहता है हम उस पर अपडेट करेंगे. इसके साथ स्टॉक्स में भी काफी अच्छा एक्शन है, स्पेशली एक्सचेंजेस. Exchange stocks have seen a tremendous rally, whether it's NCX, whether it's BSE or exchanges related stocks also. So exchanges काफी अच्छी rally है. So guys keep booking profits. काफी टाइम से हम recommend भी कर रहे थे. In the meantime, जैसे BTST ideas रहेंगे, so definitely update. So Anuj, what we can do is we can take couple of stock queries, and in the meantime, I am continuously tracking Bank Nifty setup also. So जैसे opportunity रहेगी हम update करेंगे उस पे.
Got it, sir. I guess the first query would be view on Motherson bought at 200, 1,000 shares.
Somewhat on Motherson, right? So yeah. If you see over the setup wise, काफी अच्छा सेटअप है. नीचे से अच्छी रैली भी हमने देखी है. आपने बाइंग प्राइस जो है उसी के आजू बाजू चल रहा है. सो आई थिंक सेटअप वाइज जब तक 195 के ऊपर रहता है पोजिशनली 210 220 तक का दिख सकता है. So weekly setup is quite strong. So continue to hold this stock with stop loss of 194 levels on spot basis. Overall setup wise positive.
I have Cochin Shipyard 50 shares at 2850.
So now the lackluster sectors are again back into picture, and as we have been recommending continuously, guys, the stock is continuously falling from last almost 2 months, and the stock has corrected almost 30-35% odd. So guys, better to exit the losing positions if it is a trading bet, and don't try to average it out, because as trend is your friend, market में trending stocks में हमें हाथ डालना है, कोई work नहीं हुआ, so better to exit. इमीडिएट बेसिस पे जब तक 1800-1820 नहीं सरपास होता है, सो देयर इज नेगेटिव बायस. नीचे में 1600-1550 के सपोर्ट.
सर HFCL
and I think HFCL has its own story. Slowly steadily the stock has seen very nice move in last couple of months. Again, on the daily and weekly scale, the stock is in uptrend. On daily scale, it has given a range breakout of 153-154 levels. So overall setup wise it's quite positive. सपोर्ट अभी ऊपर की तरफ शिफ्ट हो गया है, जो पहले 140-145 था, अब 152 एक सपोर्ट जोन हो गया है. धीरे धीरे हमें 162-170 तक का लेवल दिख सकते हैं. So continue to hold. In the meantime, I'll just like to revisit the Bank Nifty setup. If we can see some setup and try to play that swing. So let me just have a relook. So 52,800 के अराउंड ही बैंक निफ्टी ट्रेड कर रहा है पिछले ऑलमोस्ट लास्ट 35-40 मिनट से. एंड कॉल भी अगर मैं देखूं तो इट्स कोटिंग अराउंड 105-107 लेवल्स. So that is the setup as of now. Our bias is positives. So what we can do is we are waiting for some dip. If we can get that dip, that would be much more better. Or else, one more thing we can do is we can go with the buying zone. So I think 50-800 call. Buying zone right now is quoting around 105 levels, 80-90 levels. I'll repeat, between 80-90, 50-700 to call by buying Nifty. Our trigger zone will be between 80-90 levels. Right now it's quoting around 105 levels. 80 से 90 की रेंज में हमारी बाय करने की सलाह रहेगी. 40 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के ऊपर 120 और 140 के टारगेट ले. So again I'll repeat, Bank Nifty trade 50-700 call. Buying zone will be between 80-90 levels. Right now it's quoting around 105 levels. 40 का stop loss ऊपर में 120-140 के टारगेट. I hope Anuj it's clear.
Yes sir, I am just repeating for the confirmation. Bank Nifty 50-800, right sir?
700 call.
50-700 call, buying near 80-90
range. Yes.
Stop loss 40, target 120-140.
Right now it is quoting around 99-100 levels. So थोड़ा से डिप पे रहेगा तो कंफर्ट रहेगा, इसके लिए हमने बाइंग जोन दे दी है और स्टॉप लॉस भी मेंशन किया हुआ है. So that is a trade for Bank Nifty. Resuming to the stock setup wise, we can again go to the stock setup, and just one stock that we would like to add. So BKG overall setup wise, we have been quite bullish from last almost couple of weeks, and strong uptrend. Today it has again given a range breakout, flag breakout on daily scale after almost 15 sessions. So positionally, we can definitely see the stock to touch 4-digit figure in coming months. So BKG would be a top pick positionally. 900 से 910 की रेंज में बाय कर सकते हैं. 860 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के ऊपर 1000-1050 के टारगेट पे.
Apologies for the echo. मैंने चैट में 1-2 क्वेश्चंस देखे थे कि हाउ कैन वी शेयर दिस स्ट्रीम विद आवर फ्रेंड्स. तो आई हैव शेयर्ड अ मैसेज कि एमओ इन्वेस्टर, एमओ राइज, एमओ ट्रेडर वेबसाइट एंड रिसोर्सेज 16 में कैसे आप स्टॉकहोम एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. यू कैन शेयर दिस मैसेज विद देम इफ दे आर आवर क्लाइंट. इफ दे आर नॉट अ क्लाइंट, so you can just share the URL with them, stockholm.motilaloswal.com, and they can sign in from there. Guys, we have initiated one trade for now.
And Anuj, we have also made about the stock that is a BKG. I think you must have. I think if you have missed out, I'll just repeat. So BKG is one of the trade that we have given for positionally also. Setup wise is very strong, strong uptrend. On daily scale, it is given a fresh range breakout above 880-890 levels with good surge in volume. So I think from here on also we can expect good 6-8% rally for 4-digit figure. So 900 से 910 की रेंज में BKG की बाइक की सलाह रहेगी. 860 का स्टॉप लॉस रखे ऊपर 1000 और फिर 1050 के टारगेट.
Got it, sir.
In the meantime, I'd just like to add one more thing. Tomorrow we have a very big event, and the outcome will be declared tonight itself. That is a Fed meet regarding the interest rate hike and the policy outcome going forward. So, guys, overnight, whatever positions you are carrying, make sure keep it light or keep it hedged. Better to play through option strategies. That would be the best way to play, because कल हमारी निफ्टी की expiry भी है, event भी है. So we don't know about the outcome of the event, but at least what is controlled within our hands is the risk management. So make sure our positions वैसे ही carry करें.
Got it, sir.
Yeah, coming back to Anuj, we can take few more stock queries, and as we see more opportunities stock wise also, we'll update on it.
Sir, Vedanta 265 shares at 469.
Which one?
Vedanta.
Vedanta. What is the buying rate?
469.
Okay, so if you see overall Vedanta, the metal pack, the stock has been lackluster within a range between 430 to 470 zones. थोड़ा सा ऊपर के लेवल पे आपने बाय किया हुआ है, so I think I would still suggest continue to hold the stock. नीचे अगर 435 440 के लेवल्स पे आते हैं तो ऐड करें और वो रेंज को प्ले करें. ऊपर में 470 हर्डल जोन है, जो आपका बाइंग जोन है, वो ये थोड़ा हर्डल जोन है. So I think continue to hold that stock. नीचे थोड़ा सा डिप आता है, add fresh quantity to average it out, keeping stop loss of 425 for an upside move towards 470 480.
Sir, Coal India position holding at 5 to 1.
Coal India.
Yeah.
Let me check the chart. So if you see Coal India, the setup. So overall, if you see the setup wise, from past couple of weeks, the stock is in downtrend and coming here with major support zone of 480. And as of now, you see there is no reversal. So I think we should wait for any reversal. 495 की closing आती है तभी कोई major change रहेगा setup wise में. तब तक एक range में ही है. बड़ा ट्रेंड थोड़ा सा पॉज हो गया है, सो आई थिंक 495 के ऊपर ही मेजर सेटअप चेंज रहेगा. वेट एंड वॉच फॉर दैट लेवल.
सर, योर व्यू ऑन हुडको?
So once upon a time this was a very quite a trending counter, but as we see the PSU stocks, the shipping sector, the defense sector, and all these stocks that were much trending, but continuously downtrend. Weekly, daily scale पे lower as lower का structure बना रहे. Every day we are seeing a new lows. So immediate basis 260 is a support resistance zone. जब तक इसके ऊपर नहीं आता है तब तक हमारा bias negative ही रहेगा. थोड़ा नीचे और profit booking दिख सकती है towards 230 to 20 levels.
Sir, update on our Bank Nifty trade?
Yeah, so I'm continuously tracking on it. Right now it's quoting in between 9900 levels only. Intraday chart भी अगर हम देखें तो 15 minutes में if we see the setup, it is Bank Nifty quoting around 50 to 800 zones only. Only advantage why we given little bit on buy on dips because it is consolidating. So अगर थोड़ा सा risk reward favorable हो जाएगा तो definitely it will make a huge difference for all the option buyers. जिसका वजह से अभी भी वहीं तक है 99. जैसे अपडेट होगा, जैसे हमारी बाइंग जोन में रहेगा, definitely will update on the same. We are closely tracking that, but as of now it's close tracking. It is trading at the zone that we have already mentioned around 100 levels.
Sir, next we have is Zensar Tech at 230.
Zensar Technology.
Yes, at 230.
Yeah, let me check the time frame chart for Zensar Tech. So I think Zensar Tech, what is the buying price?
230.
So I think Zensar Technology you're talking about right now, it's putting on 750. I think it must be bought a long back. So setup wise, if we see the setup is still strong and the price is way above its buying price. So I think immediate basis पे 720 का एक major support है. जब तक इसके ऊपर है तब तक continue to hold. और आपका buying price already काफी नीचे है. So setup wise there is no major pain. थोड़ा सा sideways हो गया structure, but the bigger trend still positive. So continue to hold.
So be on Angel One.
Angel One. So again we have seen a sharp up move mainly because of theme of the broking stocks and the exchanges that we've seen a very good rally. So setup wise, it is from a strong base near 2400, 2450 levels. Daily scale पे उसको retest किया है वो gap area को, and then we are seeing higher rise shadow structure. So I think positional basis we can again see its new lifetime high towards 2900, 3000 levels. That is from a bigger time frame. Immediate basis पे 2550 का स्टॉप लॉस रख के आप बाय कर सकते हैं. ऊपर में 2750 28 हो गया.
Guys, we can't comment on Motilal Oswal because of the compliance guidelines, so we won't be taking up that question. Sir, IRFC.
IRFC. So railway stock, and I think definitely the stock will be also in downtrend. As rightly said, the stock is in totally downtrend, guys. There is no sign of major reversal. Avoid averaging. Wait for any major reversal. 165, 170 hurdle zone है. So जब तक इसके नीचे buys would be negative. Don't add it. Wait for any major reversal and try to exit on bounce. अगर थोड़ा सा bounce आता है around 165, 170 levels तक क्या?
Sir, your view on Titagarh 250 quantity bought at 1830.
Titagarh, another railway stock, and if you see what is the buying price?
1830.
1830, and I think from past almost 1.5 2 months, the stock has corrected from that levels. Right now, it is given a fresh breakdown below 1350, 1380 levels. No sign of recovery. I think overall better. It would be better to if you can exit in losses if it's a trading bet. And very important, आपको sector समझना बहुत important है, guys. अगर sector flavor में नहीं है, so try to reduce the positions and try to shift that position to another trending counter. Levels wise 1350 का hurdle है, नीचे 1200, 1100 का एक major support zone.
Sir, Hero MotoCorp.
Hero MotoCorp two-wheeler, classical uptrend. All the especially two-wheeler stocks, whether it's Bajaj Auto, whether it's Hero Moto, whether it's all TVS Motor. So very strong uptrend. So good rally from 5200 to almost 6000 levels. आज हमने थोड़ी सी ऊपर से profit booking देखी है, but monthly and weekly setup काफी strong है. And if we see the overall setup wise, multiple supports in near 5800 levels. So अगर positions है, so continue to hold. और अगर किसी ने नीचे लिया हुआ है, so we'd advise to book profits. Bigger trend is still positive with 5800 as a major support.
Guys, we are tracking BankNifty. No need to.
Yeah, definitely. I'll just rescan it and I'll just try to again see the chart. And definitely, I think we have all used a similar kind of terminals or the softwares for our trading. BankNifty exactly is trading near 52,800 levels. हम लोग ने 52,800, 52,700 का कॉल मेंशन किया, अभी 105 का राउंड ही चल रहा है. हमने थोड़ा बाइंग जोन पे बाय करने की सलाह दी है, थोड़े से डिप पे between 80 to 90 and stop loss रहेगा 40, but as of now it is still trading in that range itself. And why we have chosen this strike? Because the probability is high and that's why we have chosen this strike. इसी के साथ अगर हम 52,800 का देखें तो 15-20 रुपए का अराउंड चल रहा है, but that doesn't make sense because the chances of making money is very low in that. So we are waiting for some dip, guys. 52,800 call, 700 का कॉल अभी भी 105 106 के अराउंड चल रहा है, थोड़ा सा डिप का हम वेट कर रहे हैं. सेटअप वाइज एक साइडवेज टू पॉजिटिव ही हमारा व्यू. एक अच्छी रैली हमने फर्स्ट हाफ में देखी थी, उसके बाद कंसोलिडेशन है, 52,700 का सपोर्ट है. And why we are giving little bit of dips, so better risk reward है, because as of now after a sharp up move in the first half of the session and post that we have seen some consolidation. So हमारे definitely guys radar पे है. The session is all about the expiry play, so definitely वो हमारी priority है and we also want to make the most of it. And stocks we have discussed, one that is BKG from positional perspective. Along with that, we have already recommended a few stocks that are positional wise also. So one is ICICI Bank. We have been quite bullish on this counter from last couple of weeks. And within the private bank, this is the stock that is to look out for. A good rally from 1250 to 1300 levels, but still it has many more legs. And I think we can see us slowly, steadily towards 1350, 1400 zones in coming month. So ICICI Bank within the private bank space would be a top pick. Very strong setup, leader, outperformer within the banking space. And so ICICI Bank and BKG are the two ideas that are from a positionally that looks very strong. बैंक निफ्टी का कॉल अभी भी 105 107 की रेंज में ही ट्रेड कर रहा है. हम लोगों ने सजेस्ट किया थोड़े से डिप पे इन रेंज ऑफ बिटवीन 80 to 90. अगर डिप अगर नहीं आता है तो we'll try to revisit the level, but as we can see we are heading closer to the 3 p.m. also, but still it is consolidating between 50 to 800 itself. So that's why we are not in rush to give trade at the current levels. So I think Nifty also has been sideways, trading near 24,350, 340 levels. So in that also there is no major setup, but Bank Nifty may relatively it's better. Right now that call is again near around 95 levels. We are waiting for the trip 94, 93, 80 से 90 की zone में आएगा. So हमारा buy zone trigger हो जाएगा for Bank Nifty call. In the meantime, two stock traders we already shared, BKG and ICICI Bank. Along with that, exchanges theme has been the flavor of the month and quite a spectacular rally we have seen across all the stocks. In the meantime, if you see the setup also, Bank Nifty is trading in the range itself. So we are waiting for that setup and definitely will update.
So view on Sun Pharma?
Sun Pharma, if you see overall pharma pack has been a strong uptrend, and if you see the Sun Pharma particularly slowly steadily they've seen very good rally in the pharma space. And Sun Pharma technically, if I just check the chart also, very strong. Today somehow just seeing some profit booking because आज देखे तो banking versus IT FMCG pharma है. IT इंडेक्स में थोड़ा सा कूल ऑफ है और बैंकिंग सेक्टर में लीड किया जिसका वजह से सेटअप है, बट बड़ा ट्रेंड बहुत पॉजिटिव है. पोजिशनली सपोर्ट रहेगा सन फार्मा का अराउंड 1780 1800 के अराउंड. सो आई थिंक कंटिन्यू टू होल्ड 1780 1800 जो सपोर्ट जोन वहां पे अगर आता है तो फ्रेश ऐड करिए. ऊपर में धीरे धीरे हमें 1890 1900 तक के लेवल्स दिख सकते हैं, बट दैट्स अ स्लो एंड स्टेडी काउंटर विद द फार्मा पैक. द बिगर ट्रेंड इज स्टिल पॉजिटिव.
Guys, we'll focus for the last 2 minutes on Bank Nifty.
Yeah, so let me also try to focus totally on that as we are already eagerly waiting for the setup. But if we see the price, yeah, so I think some dip we have seen in the call. So right now 88 is the price. We have suggested 88, 80 to 90 zone. So guys, definitely the buy zone has been triggered for Bank Nifty call. Right now it's back to 95 levels. So अब Bank Nifty trade जो हमने दिया है वो ट्रिगर हो गया है. 88 का लो हमारा अभी 95 चल रहा है. 120 140 के टारगेट के लिए. Right now it's putting around 93 94 levels. Just Anuj for the update.
Got it, sir.
Right now the premium is around 89 90 itself. हमारा 80 से 90 का बाइंग जोन है, वो अभी ट्रिगर होगा. 85 अभी टच हुआ है. सो अब बाइंग जोन हैज बीन ट्रिगर 82 83 एज अ बाइंग जोन. 40 का मैं स्टॉप लॉस दिमाग में रखना है, इसको मेंटेन करना है. ऊपर में 120 140 के टारगेट. So also I'll go to the intraday charts as finally the trade has been triggered, but only thing is that it's traded, it has been triggered at 3 p.m. So it's about to on the closer on the session, but still at least it has been triggered. Guys, levels आप ध्यान रखिए. 40 is a major level. Upside में 120 140 का. And that's why one more reason that we would like to mention is that's why we were waiting for some dip. So at least वो 28 points का dip अगर आया तो हमें वो comfort थोड़ा सा हो गया comparatively that we were waiting for. So अभी भी अगर रहता तो हमारी buying zone comfort में ही है so far. And this is the dip we were waiting for because आज देखे तो broader market में Bank Nifty out perform किया, बाकी सब थोड़े indices and stocks थोड़े overall dull and lackluster है. So we were waiting. हमारी buying zone trigger हो गया, अभी वही चल रहा है trade around 89 levels. But only thing keep in mind, we are moving closer to the expiry last session. So guys, keep that thing in mind. Sizing up उसके हिसाब से ही रखें. Also, I just to add one more thing. Tomorrow we have the Fed event. Guys, overnight sizing up कम रखें. Keep your positions hedged. That is the best way to play it out. And tomorrow definitely we'll get some opportunities to play the Nifty expiry, so we can make the most of it. So Bank Nifty trade, the buying zone has ट्रिगर. राइट नाउ इट्स ट्रेडिंग बिटवीन 80 टू 90. वही हमारी बाइंग जोन है. 40 का स्टॉप लॉस रखना है, ध्यान रखिए. ऊपर में 120 130 के 140 के टारगेट के लिए. अभी 80 का डिप लेके वापस हमारा मूव है 85 89 90 का. सो अभी वही रेंज में ट्रेड कर रहा है.
गाइस, नो नीड टू वरी. जब तक हम ट्रेड क्लोज नहीं करेंगे हम जाएंगे नहीं, रिस्पेक्टिव 3 बजे कि नहीं बजे, क्योंकि हमारा ट्रेड काफी लेट इनिशिएट हुआ था.
यस.
I can see some messages. So please don't leave right now. Trade close होने का wait
No,
कीजिए.
definitely, guys. Our main motive is for you guys to make the most of it. So definitely, our trade is थोड़ा late trigger हुआ है. So we really can do. We'll definitely update on that, and then only we'll take a call after that. So the call from 90 levels it has drifted near to 73, 74 levels. 74, 75 around चल रहा है. खाली ध्यान रखिए कि important level है 40 जो important level है अभी back to its near its buying price itself 75, 76. So in this case what we can do is right now it is back to 80 levels. We'll wait for a couple of more minutes. We'll give an update on it and then accordingly we'll take the call for it.
Got it, sir.
Also, ideas we have already shared. So far we haven't shared the BTC idea. We are waiting because का एक event है जिसके वजह से. But बीका जी जो setup wise है काफी strong है. So आप ध्यान रखिए वो play out कर सकते हैं. The movement we have seen some movement along with that one trade that we have initiated for overnight is PCBL. Yeah. So we have seen some uptick on BankNifty from 75 levels to 93, 94, 95. So guys, we have seen some swing. So try to make the most of it. Try to keep it churning because there's a 15 point की churning आ रही है. So 70 वाला अभी 92, 93 हुआ है. Along with that, one more piece, the overnight idea that we have shared is PCBL. Classical uptrend, range breakout on daily scale. So slowly, steadily, we can see a good uptick. PCBL we have given a level of 523, 522. Stop loss आप रखिए 509 का upside में 535, 540 के लिए.
Guys, the trade was already penned and yes, you can take it near. Sir, अभी लेना ठीक रहेगा क्या?
It's I already mentioned, guys. It's 80 to 90. We've seen a dip also, and again I'm mentioning about the dip. Try to make the most of it, guys. And now the 70 is again to 90, and this is the best part about the option buying. So dip पे हमने suggest किया अभी भी वही चल रहा है. So I would not suggest to buy at 90 levels because already हमें वो नीचे मिल रहा था. And ये swings जो है 10-15 point की है, उससे बड़ा as of now कोई swing नहीं है. So what we can do is Anuj, setup wise it's still trading near its buying zone itself. थोड़ा सा हमने 10 से 15 point का swing देखा है. It's already around 334. So we'll just wait for a minute and we'll take a call at 335. अभी 87, 87, 88 चल रहा है. इसने नीचे डिप पे लिया था. वो आप ध्यान रखिए कि अगर ऊपर थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है, so try to book profits.
Book profit at 93 with 8 loss. Congratulations, Panchal ji. Please keep on churning, guys. Please keep a note on that.
Yes, because the main purpose behind the option buying on dip was because we are expecting that momentum. Bias is positive, but the momentum is slow and gradual. And as we are heading towards close to the last couple of minutes for the expiry, the premium factors will come in, the option factors will come into picture. That's why we have been a little bit conservative. The move has seen from 85 levels to 93, 94, 95. So guys, please book profits 95, 96, 97. So guys, please book profits. That's the move that we are trying to look out for. 98, 99. I think over this levels we can definitely book profits, and it's already 3.5. So I think at current levels we would like to book 100. So finally 3-digit figure from 80 levels to 100. At least some swing 101, 102 levels. So we'll close out a trade near 100 levels.
Guys, please book your profits and exit the trade. Congratulations on a profit. काफी मुश्किल था, but still we booked fine profit. रानी जी made 4K. I hope कि काफी लोगों ने ऐसे किया होगा. अदनान जी made 2.6K. Congratulations, guys. It was pretty tough, but I feel कि हमने profit book किया है. And for the people who are not our clients but still would like to buy Research 360 subscription, we have a 10% off because you guys are our special community members. We have already pinned it. You can check the code Research 360 एक बार दोबारा chat पे डाल रहा हूँ तो आप देख सकें. Congratulations on the profit, guys.
Yeah, and just to sum it up, guys, tomorrow today we have the event, so kindly make position sizing accordingly. Try to go through strategies and keep your positions hedged. So that's all. I think we can sum it up and close it down, Anuj. Overall, it was a decent session. Morning session was quite good. As Madhur mentioned about the bank call, we've seen a good rally in the morning call, and today we got a couple of points, but at least we took the advantage of the strategy of buy and dips. It worked in our favor. So see you all tomorrow for Nifty expiry, guys. Thank you guys.
Thank you everyone. See you tomorrow and enjoy your profits.